Hey guys, it's Katie. Before I start breaking into my You've Got Class kit, I kind of wanted to walk through what you get with the kit and then kind of tell you what you can buy separately if you wish to do so. So, I have the full kit here, which is for purchase. And what you get is you get a package of sparkles, and there's 100 and they're all the same size. That's for embellishing. And then you'll get a package of our flip flap memory protectors, and there's 12 in here and they're all 3x4. And for those of you not familiar with Close to My Heart's flip flaps, the way this works is this is a sticky strip, and you can either lay this down on your page protector and then you can flip and see hidden journaling or additional pictures, or you can actually lay it, adhere it on your layout itself. And so when you pull this off, it's going to be a clear. Sometimes you can still see the tape, and so I'd choose to put a zip strip over it or something like that. But you'll get 12 in the package in the full kit. You'll get 2 stamp sets. This is the first one, and it's School Kids. And this one, not only does it come with the stamp set, but all the images that you see outlined in blue, you'll also get the thin cut, which you'll just use with your favorite die cut machine and be able to cut those out instead of fussy cut. You can purchase this individually for $32.95 if you're not into the entire kit but you think this is cute and it's something you would like. You'll also get this C-size stamp set, or it's a Constant Campaign, actually it's a D size, and it's You've Got Class. It's made specifically for this campaign. And as you can see, it's got the kindergarten, and then it's got all the numbers, and then the letters that you can make, and then the grade. So, you know, first grade, second grade, whatever. And then it's got some shapes, a little globe down there, a little watercolor. So that comes with the full kit. And then you'll get, oh, you can purchase this. If you don't want the full kit, you can purchase this for $18.95 by itself. And then you'll get cardstock enough to do all the layouts that are pictured in the workshop handout that will come with your kit. I believe you get 7 White Daisy cardstocks. And then you'll get 1 of each of 5 colors. And so we've got Juniper, Glacier, Lagoon, Sapphire, and then Linen, which is just a really light gray color. And then you get 7 True Fit folios. So if you recall, several years ago, Close to My Heart had the True Fit folios, so they brought them back. And the way they're designed is you would do a layout on the front and a layout on the back. And you just slip these down into your page protector. And so if this is going to be your first grade layout, then you could put anything important with first grade. Report cards, shot records, if they learned how to write their name, whatever. This is in the page protector, and it just serves as a pocket page now. And then it comes with that cute little file tab on each one of those. You can also purchase these separately, and they're for $9.95. And I believe you get, yeah, it's the 7. So you'll still get 7, but you can purchase additional ones. Let's say that you didn't want to share kindergarten on the on the front page, and then have to do first grade on the second. You could buy an extra pack of True Fit folios. And then it comes with 12 sheets of B&T. And you'll get 3 patterns, 4 sheets each. And what they did was they took some of our most popular patterns from some of the paper packets in the Seasonal Expressions 2 that is about to retire. So you'll get 4 of these. This is that balloon pattern from Central Park. And then on the back side is kind of a ledger paper from Documented. And then you'll get 4 of these, which, if you recall, this sapphire polka dot was from Beautiful Friendship. And then, you know, it's got the pretty zip strip. And the back side is from Fresh Air. It's real pretty New England ivy pattern. And then the last 4 are these. This is from Beautiful Friendship. And then the back side is from Central Park. And then you can purchase that separately for $7.95. So again, you can purchase the entire kit, which is what I've shown you today, or you can purchase each individual item. If you'd like to purchase these, they're good. They're orderable now through the end of September, and you can purchase them on my website, scrapandkatie.ctmh.com. I'm about to ink up these stamps and cut up these papers and see what I can create, and I will keep you posted. Make sure you check my blog or my Instagram or my Facebook for artwork updates. Thanks. Bye.